Hey team, another quick Mason how-to, just gathering some fast info related to my scheduling here. So using the new talk to text on Mason, I can just go in here and ask, hey Mason, what dependencies are blocking excavation? I can go ahead and send that over. Mason will give me that quick information in regards to my scheduling. So it's just pulling that into here so I don't have to do any digging. Think of if you're on the phone, how easy this is to access. And here we go. Excavation is blocked by the permit from the schedule dependency. So we'll pull that information directly from the Gantt chart so you can see what item is dependent on the excavation item following here. And I'll give you the explanation here, meaning excavation can start 5 days after that county permit finishes. So you'll see all that quick information here. If then I'm looking for a specific employee, where are they at on the schedule? I can just go ahead and ask that again. Where is Christian assigned to on this job? I'll go ahead and send that on over, and then that's going to populate that information for me as well. So this is really great for just those quick schedule tasks and figuring things out. You have that information right here in the schedule assignment for this project. Christian is assigned to, and here we go, are those scheduled tasks. So like I said, it's really great. Any questions, please reach out to your account manager and your support staff here at Ressio. Thanks.